Hello everyone, myself P. Sravani working as assistant professor in EC department at BVR 18 at Sapur. I am excited to talk about which shaping our lives, that is artificial intelligence. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the basic fundamentals of artificial intelligence, its applications and its impact on the world. So today we'll start with what is an AI. Before going to the definition of AI, first imagine that you wake up in the morning. So already your phone has analyzed your sleep pattern to set the perfect alarm. Next, your voice assistant is going to tell you about what is the type of weather condition outside. So if it is raining, it will suggest you to grab the umbrella. And next, your navigation application, while you're going outside, it will suggest you the best road by avoiding traffics. And your phone already recognizes your face and it unlocks automatically. So all these things will happen because of this AI. So AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a technology which learns from the data and it solves the problems and it makes the decisions. So which mimics the human intelligence. So let's say in shortly we can say it as applying the human intelligence to the models and system. So this is the basic definitions of artificial intelligence. So next we'll see with the main real life examples of artificial intelligence. So first we'll see the voice assistants. So everyone we are using the artificial voice assistants. So voice assistants can understand the voice, process the information, process the data, and it gives the helpful information. So for example, we can say Alexa, right? So Alexa, we are asking the Alexa to play our favorite songs, right? And like Google Assistants. So here there are many voice assistants which are helping, and those are the examples of AI. Next real-time example is the Netflix, that is the recommendation systems. So daily we'll use the movies or web series in the Netflix or Amazon Prime or anything, right? So here whenever you watch any web series or a short film, so here Netflix next it will recommend some type of short films or web series for us. It will analyzes what is our hobbies and what are our interests, right? So here AI analyzes the interest and our hobbies. So this is also one example for artificial intelligence. And next is the self-driving car. So here in general normal cars, human has to analyze the traffic lead and the obstacles are there on the road or not. So but in this self-driving cars, so here automatically lane detection will be done, right? So obstacle avoidance will be done without the help of any human, right? So this is the help, nothing but artificial intelligence. Next, coming to the healthcare diagnosis. So in healthcare field, so here automatically diseases can be detected with the help of AI, that is artificial intelligence. Here the AI is playing a major role in our lives. So we need to discuss about what the importance of AI and how that AI is used in real life. So these are the examples of artificial intelligence. Next we'll see with the key components of AI. So what is there in AI? So key components are nothing but, so it consists of, so mainly machine learning, followed by deep learning, followed by neural network, followed by natural language processing, computer vision, followed by the cognitive computing. So first we'll see with machine learning. So what is machine learning? So machine learning, it is a subset of artificial intelligence which learns from the data. So this machine learning will learn from the data and it improves over time. So for example, we can say in Gmail accounts, spam mails will be there, right? So automatically some mails will be given to the spam folder, right? So that is the best example for machine learning. So next is the deep learning. So deep learning is nothing but it is a subset of machine learning. It is a subset of machine learning. So deep learning is nothing but it consists of many layers, right? So here it is used to solve the complex problems, right? So next is the neural network. So neural network is nothing but it is the main component of AI which mimics the human brain. So it detects the patterns and analyzes the data. So that is nothing but the neural network. Next is the natural language processing. Natural language processing interprets the data. For example, we can say the ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, everyone are using ChatGPT nowadays. So here the data can be interpreted there and it can give the data in human language, right? Next is the computer vision. Computer vision is nothing but it is also a component of AI which analyzes the data based on visual data. So in the form of a database or in the form of images or videos. Next is the cognitive computing. Cognitive computing is nothing but which mimics the human brain. For example, if we take the health diagnostics, so here in this health diagnostics, this cognitive computing will analyze the data of patients. So it will consider the clinical data and it will consider the research papers and it will give a data set to the doctors to diagnose easily. So these are the basic main components of AI. So if we integrate all these components, we can say it is a complete artificial intelligence. So next we'll see. We have seen the artificial intelligence, the components, and now if we integrate all these components, how AI can process the data and how AI can be used in real time. So here we'll see how does AI work. So here AI can learn from everything where it experiences. AI can learn from everything it experiences. So we'll see how it experiences, how it can be learned. So here the process, there will be a sequence of steps in AI process. So first we'll see with the data collection. Data collection is nothing but, so it will collect the data. A large amount of data is required to process that information. So large amount of data can be gathered here. That is nothing but data collection. So after data collection, so here data preparation is there. So data preparation is nothing but after collection of the data, there may be a noise in the data, there may be a removing factors in the data. So that should be cleaned. That is nothing but the data preparation for the next step. So that is nothing but data preparation. And next is the choosing a model and training. So here we have to choose the perfect algorithms for training purpose. So here training, there will be a different types of machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms will be there. So based on the type of algorithm, we have to train the model. And next is the evaluation. So we can say it as a testing also. So here testing process should be there after training the model. Next is the tuning, or else we can say it as the validation. So validation has to be performed after testing. Next is the deployment. This is the final stage of this AI. So for example, we can say to analyze the student's performance. So how this AI can analyze the student's performance. So these are, we'll discuss through these steps. So first is the data collection. So here first we have to collect the student's data, the attendance reports and the academic reports and the co-curricular activities. So all these steps comes under the data collection. So after collecting this data, next the data has to be cleaned and it has to be organized. So here cleaning and organized involves, so if any duplicate entries that have to be deleted here, and if any missed entries are there, that has to be included. So finally we have to prepare a consolidated report here. Next, this prepared data has to be given to the training. So using some machine learning algorithms, so we have to train this data. So algorithms are there, based on this algorithm, so we have to train this model. So after training, the data will be tested with the present algorithms. So whether it is matching or not, whether the student is getting the above marks, above grade, above 70% or below 70%, that performance has to be done here. That is nothing but evaluation. So after evaluation, validation or tuning, we can say here validation. So here validation is nothing but after evaluation, so here the process, the data, the model can be validated by checking its accuracy, right? So after this, we have to deploy the model for user, right? So here deployment is nothing but just we are giving the result, final results that can be implemented in the market. So this is how the flow of AI in real time, whatever may be the product, the AI works in this way. Okay, next we'll see how this AI has evolved. So AI is having mainly 3 stages in its life. So first it will started with the neural network. This artificial intelligence, the term artificial intelligence started with the human brain. So the basic idea of artificial intelligence is the human brain consists of the neurons. So with the help of that neurons, the idea came into existence as artificial intelligence. So during 1950s to 1970s, the neural networks, based on the neural networks, some type of robots were evolved based on this artificial intelligence. So in Alan Turing is the main scientist. He is a great mathematician, British mathematician. He has identified the artificial intelligence. Next, followed by the machine learning. So machine learning, later 1970s to 2010, here machine learning algorithms are evolved. So during using these machine learning algorithms, so many AI based systems came into existence. So next is the present going methodology is deep learning. So nowadays we can say it as it is a deep learning era. So in this many activities are going on, and everything is nowadays in real life, that is with AI. Next we'll see with the applications of AI. So as we seen some use cases there, healthcare. In healthcare, this AI is used to diagnose the disease, type of the disease, and to give the data to the doctors to diagnose early. So this type of the diseases can be detected. And next in automobile, we can say it as a self-driving cars. So it will automatically detect the lanes and obstacles. Next, like we have finance, surveillance, social media, entertainment. So like this, we have many applications where we can use the artificial intelligence. So let's see with the ethical considerations in AI. So nowadays AI is increasingly integrated into our lives. Now it's important to see how it affects the human lives. So here first we'll see with the privacy. So a large amount of data and personal data is there. So we have to raise the concerns about the privacy. Next is the fairness. So fairness here, it should be fair and it should not be biased for any type of model. So this is also major ethical considerations in AI. Next is the transparency. So here AI system should be transparent, and here it has to make the decisions in human understandable language. And next is the responsibility. Here the main responsibility to establish accountability, development and deployment of AI systems. So responsibility, determining who is responsible when AI works wrongly or when AI makes errors. So here the responsibility is also a main ethical consideration in artificial intelligence. Next, see with the future of artificial intelligence. So here, this artificial intelligence brings the transformative changes across various sectors, so driven by technology transformation. So here, this transformation advancements includes the deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. So these are the components, and the main changes are going to be in deep learning, natural language processing and computer vision. So we can see the major changes. So first is the increased automation. So there will be a large number of drones and automation sectors that impacts the industries. So here AI is expected to automate more tasks. Next is the personalized experiences. So here AI will enable definitely highly personalized experiences. So next is the new innovations. So here new innovations such as healthcare or music, art. So everywhere we can AI can do the new innovations. So the future of AI is full of potentials and technologies. So here the AI will present new innovations to the market, and it will generate more and more AI related products. So this is the introductory part for artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.